How do you sell a house that needs work? Well, the selling process is already difficult enough, but when you add noticeable problems with the property into the equation, it can make the home sale even more complicated. Inventory is now increasing and buyers have more options to choose from. Your home, which needs repairs, won't likely be their first choice. And those who are interested in purchasing may make an offer that's less than what you want it to sell it for. So to sell a fixer-upper, here are 3 things you should do. Number 1, get a home inspection. You know the property's in a bad shape, but if you're not exactly sure to what extent, this is where a professional can help. A home inspector will locate the problems and give you a complete rundown of them. Once you've identified what has to be fixed, you can evaluate whether you can afford the repairs and replacements or if you'll just sell it as is. Also, remember that disclosing the issues of your home to would-be buyers is required by the law. You want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any legal repercussions later. Number 2, consider selling to an investor or a bargain hunter. The worse the home's condition is, the bigger the pool of investment buyers will be. Real estate investors don't want to live in that house. They want to repair and upgrade it so they can sell and earn a profit. Typically, they will pay with cash and will buy the home as is. Bargain hunters, on the other hand, are in search of their dream home. They're willing to put in the elbow grease needed to make a property livable and will overlook a few flaws as long as they love the location. Number 3, be realistic with your price. Whatever market we're in, pricing your home correctly will always be critical. This is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition. You have to set a reasonable price, one that's based on research and makes sense for the market. The best way to do this is by working with a real estate professional. An experienced agent can use their resources and connections to ensure that you get the best possible deal for your sale. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about today's topic or anything else real estate related, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.